This is a really fun thing to teach your dog, and just about any dog can learn to do this provided that we're motivating and rewarding them with something they really enjoy. The process used to teach this one is called shaping. Instead of asking the dog to close the door right away, we're going to reward small steps in the right direction. The idea is that the dog should figure out on their own what we want them to do. So first of all, I want her to target this post-it note with her nose. So I'm going to show it to her, and every time she touches it or even looks at it, I'm going to click. It's best not to use the cue until the dog offers the behavior on their own consistently. Since that is the case here, I'm going to start adding the cue. Now this can be whatever you want. I'm going to use the word door. 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 Next, I can start moving the post-it very gradually closer and closer to the door. 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 There we go. Door. Door. Good girl. Door. 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 Good girl. Finally, I'm going to stick this onto the door and direct her by simply pointing at it. Door. Good girl. Door. Sit. There we go. Door. Sit. Good girl. Door. And sit. Very good. Door. Sit. Door. Very good. The next step is to open the door a little bit and click for even the smallest movements. Door. Very good. Door. Yeah, door. And eventually reward only for the full movement of the door closing. After doing this many times, you can remove the post-it. If your dog gets confused when you do that, try making the post-it smaller progressively instead of taking it all off at once. And that is how you teach a dog to close the door.